Welcome to BMW's first proper M product for the mid-size SUV market. In Australia, we are only offered the top X3 M Competition variant, which means it comes with all of the sporty highlights and the higher output engine. It looks pretty unassuming on the outside, with only the black front grille, black side grills and window trimmings, side mirrors, and black quad outlet exhausts giving away some clues. In that sense, it's not the most aggressive or flamboyant performance SUV in the class, in terms of exterior design, but it does look neat and well proportioned. A set of 21-inch alloy wheels complete the look, with M compound cross-drilled brakes hiding behind. Surprisingly, the X3 M Competition uses 265/40 tyres on the back, while some regular X3 models, such as those with the optional M Sport pack, come with wider 275 tyres. The interior features the traditional competition spec sports seats in the front, and despite looking quite serious, they are actually very soft and comfortable. This example also showcases carbon fibre trimmings for the console and dash, with two-tone leather, contrast stitching, and grippy Alcantara sections to hold you in. Passenger space and convenience is really good in the latest X3, and the M Competition version is pretty much exactly the same. The tall ceiling provides plenty of headroom in the front, and the rear seat offers decent headroom and legroom for this class. There's even semi-climate control in the back, a charging port, and heated outer seats on this test car. Boot space is measured at 550 litres in the default setting, which meets the class standards. You can also flip down the rears from either the boot wall or from a button on the seat itself. Some additional underfloor storage is available for smaller items, and you get tie-down hooks and netted pockets for added practicality. Perhaps the biggest attraction to the new X3 M is the S58 3-litre twin-turbo inline-six engine. This will soon power the all-new M3, and in the X3 it provides awesome acceleration, excellent top-end speed, and surprisingly effortless mid-range grunt. This is what it goes like.